outside. Let's go.
This is the scariest thing I've ever been in. Oh my god. Holy sh**. I hope this stops. I just saw a car flip over in front of me. Holy God. Welcome to Florida, people.
I think they should come back now.
We just had a super tornado right here, and it took down all this stuff over here.
Oh wait, we don't have lights.
They're shutting the bridge. Super tornado right over here. What is outside?
That thing came right through here.
It's always safe to go out after the tornado. Guys, with the umbrella back.
No, we're good.
The recycle bin's shredded. Palms you down. But, oh my gosh, we're over here on Bomar. Dude, the bank. Check out the bank. Oh, no, that's not the bank. It's like a demilitarized zone here. Oh, this is a dry cleaner. Wouldn't go that way. They're gonna yell at you. Look, there's... This is the middle of PGA. This must have been... bank, ready for looting. This looks like the prime where it first came this way and then it went across here.
Good footage.